All right, everybody. As y'all saw my unboxing upstairs, well, the beginning of it or whatever, okay? So let's start with the table, okay? All right, the unboxing shall continue, okay? I'm gonna open this plastic up. All right, open it from here. With the tape at, of course. All right. So y'all can watch me set this up. Okay. All right. So over here. Are y'all? Wait a minute. Are y'all watching me? Let me see. I have to make sure I got the camera in place. Okay. Okay. There we go. I need to make sure y'all watching me good. Okay. There we go. Sorry about that. Okay. So as I'm setting the table up over here, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Let's put the table over here. Okay. Yeah. Okay. That's okay fit. All right. So I guess I'll be able to put two chairs under this table, I think. Okay. Not with this chair, of course. Okay. Hope I mess up this official unboxing. Okay. Okay. All right. Put the chair over here, yes. Right here. And his other chair, as y'all watching me though, okay, put the chair, as y'all see, the chair over here, another chair, as y'all watching, y'all think I should take these white things off? Probably tomorrow, or later today, I guess, okay. All right, look at this. All right, back in action. Okay, so let me just sit at this table right here. Voila! If y'all can see me, if y'all can't see me, oh well. Sorry. That means it's messed up. Let me. Oh yeah, y'all could see me. Okay, so. Here I am, sitting at the chair right here, while I eat right here. I'll eat here sometime though, okay? All right, Merry Christmas, folks. All right, thank y'all for watching this unboxing, okay? So let's look over here. There it is. All right, bye-bye.